Hello everyone, I hope you all had a good day. My name is Shivam and I welcome you to our platform Abhipedia, your most trusted platform for government exam preparation. Today, we are continuing with our lecture 6 of our ongoing series Niti Pe Charcha, in which we discuss all important government schemes that are relevant to your upcoming exams. Also, you can get the free PDF of this session from our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Do follow our Telegram channel to get more study material and timely updates about our new lectures. So let's start the discussion with the first scheme or the first initiative. The first initiative is PM Gati Shakti scheme. Do not confuse it with anything related to train or mode of transport. It is a national master plan launched in the year 2021 by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The current minister is Piyush Goyal, right? With the aim to provide a multimodal, integrated, and efficient infrastructure for seamless movement of goods, people, and services across India. It aims to break down department silos and bring synergy. Synergy means bring them all together for infrastructure development, right? So this schemes aims at a rapid development in our nation, right? Let's discuss its silent features, right? So this is a integrated infrastructure planning. This is an integrated infrastructure planning, bringing 16 plus ministries onto one digital platform using GIS, that is Geographical Information System, based digital platform for real-time data and planning. Second is multimodal connectivity, integrates different modes of transport, road, rail, air, and waterways. And how will this help? This will help to reduce logistics cost and time. Next is the PM Gati Shakti digital platform. Okay, this is a GIS based system, enables ministries and states to plan and coordinate infrastructure projects. What are let's discuss the 6 important pillars of PM Gati Shakti scheme. First is comprehensiveness. What do you mean by comprehensiveness? Centralized database for all infrastructure initiatives. Second is prioritizations. Help ministry prioritize the projects, that which projects needs to be done first and which can be continued later. Okay? Optimization. Reduce duplication of efforts and enhance cost efficiency. Synchronization. Coordinate planning and implementation among departments, like we discussed, bringing 16 ministries together. Use of analytical tools, dynamic mapping, satellite imagery for better development and less time wastage. And last is dynamic, continuous updates and real-time integration. This can be done through the digital platform which we discussed, right? Let's discuss the next initiative. This initiative is e-Shram portal, right? Launched in year 2021 by Ministry of Labor and Employment. Who is our current minister for Ministry of Labor and Employment? It is Bhupendra Yadav. Okay. What does it aims? It aims to create a centralized database for unorganized workers to facilitate delivery of social security schemes and better policy formulation. Which are the people that are covered under this scheme? These are all the people working in unorganized sectors like construction workers, street vendors, and also you're surprised to know the gig workers like who work for delivery platforms like Ola, Zomato, Swiggy, right? This is the website of eShram portal. So what happens here is a person from unorganized sector can create his or her data, which then this data can be used for better policy making. So let's discuss the benefit for workers. What benefit does it provide? It provides them with Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, in which free accident insurance of 2 lakh rupees cover is given. Second is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Here 2 lakh rupees insurance, life insurance is done at the premium of rupees 436. It started in the year 2015. The next is pension schemes like PM Shram Yogi Mandan. Here a person can donate some of his earning and similar earning is contributed by government, and a person can after 60 years of age can get a pension that can range up to amount of rupees 15,000. We discussed another pension yojana. Can you tell me in the comment box? I will tell you the name. You tell me in which year it was started, right? Its name is APY, Atal Pension Yojana. Okay? And last is portability, useful for migrant workers, ensure benefits across the states. What is its current status? Like how many people are registered under e-Shram portal? That is over 30 crore workers. And how much women workers contribute to it? It is 53.68%. The scheme is extended into fiscal year 25-26, and the top state in which their maximum number of registration is Uttar Pradesh. The next scheme is Naya Savera scheme. As the name suggests, Naya Savera means new morning. For those for whose is this new morning, okay, let us discuss. It is launched in the year 21 by Ministry of Minority Affairs. Okay, what does it aims at? It aims to provide free coaching to economically disadvantaged students from notified minority communities to help them compete in competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, banking, and gain entry into professional courses like engineering, medical, law, etc. So what are its silent features? Who are the beneficiaries? Students from 6 notified minority communities: Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, and Parsis. Annual family income up to 6 lakhs, and special focus on ST, SC, OBC minority candidates, girls, and PWDs. That is, and free coaching is provided through empaneled coaching institutes and NGOs. So these schemes help to provide better educational access to those people, those who are at the bottom of the ladder and do not have quality education. By enrolling in this scheme, these students can get better coaching, and therefore they can compete in other exams and improve their quality of life, right? So what is its current status or how it has benefited? Over 1.18 lakh students have been benefited from this scheme since its inception. Also, this scheme continues as PM's 15-point program for minorities. Do remember this thing. Let's discuss the next scheme. It is Prime Minister Development Initiative for Northeast region. For a long time, you might know that there has been not much development in the northeastern part of India. To fulfill this gap, this scheme this initiative was taken. It was taken in the year 2022 by the nodal ministry, Ministry of Development for Northeastern region. Who is the current minister? Jyotiraditya Scindia. What is its objective? Its objective is to fill development gaps in northeastern region through both infrastructure and social sector interventions to enable livelihood opportunities, particularly for youth and women in northeastern regions. It is a central sector scheme, that is, it is 100% funded by the center. Let's discuss the next scheme. What is the next scheme? It is a new initiative. It is Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India, or PM Shri. Started in the year 2022 by Union Cabinet. It aims at developing 14,500 schools across India into model and exemplar schools that showcase implementation of National Education Policy 2020. In this, you might remember in the previous lecture we have discussed National Education Policy, what is the structure of it? That was 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. And what does National Education Policy focuses on? It focuses on skill development. Therefore, it will align with Skill India scheme, है ना? What are its silent features? It focuses on multilingual, that is many languages, needs academic diversity, experimental and discovery oriented learning, play based, toy based foundational years, flexible and enjoyable pedagogy. Pedagogy refers to the art or science of teaching. Another feature is that use of smart classrooms, science labs, ICT, computer labs, Atal tinkering labs, okay? Gardens and playgrounds. This will help in better growth of the student, right? For primary, elementary, secondary and senior secondary levels, and green school features like solar, water conservation, okay, and waste management. Once selected, the PM Shri School will provide mentoring leadership to other nearby schools. So in this scheme, what we are doing is that we are creating a school, one school in an area, okay, that has all the major facilities. And then this school can provide mentorship to other surrounding schools, that how can they improve in their learning. Okay? So by this means we are creating this school as a leader. That can guide other schools. Right? Let's discuss the next scheme. This scheme is, I think so many people will find it usable for those people who aspire to become authors. This scheme is specially targeted on those people. So let's discuss its name. Its name is Prime Minister Scheme for Mentoring Young Authors, PM Yuva Scheme. It is also called as Young Upcoming and Versatile Author Scheme. It was launched in various years at different versions like UA 1.0, UA 2.0 and UA 3.0. Okay. What is its nodal ministry? Ministry of Education, Department of Higher Education. Who is the current minister? Dharmendra Prasad, right? What is its objective? Its objective is to train, mentor, and empower young budding authors under 30 years of age. Do you remember this point? This can be some trick question. This can be put in some statement that more than 35 years people can also participate in Yuva scheme. So no, only under 30 years of age, in order to promote reading, writing, and publishing of Indian literature across various languages. So it does not only cover English, it covers all the languages of India, right? And to project Indian culture and knowledge system globally. So let's discuss its silent features. What is the target group? Already we discussed young authors below 30 years of age. Another point, applicants should not have participated in previous edition. That is, once you have participated in UA 1.0, you should not participate in UA 2.0, right? In order to wider opportunity. Second fact about it is there is theme-based writing. In UA 2.0, launched in 2022, democracy was the theme. And in UA 3.0, that is the most recent one in 2025, contribution of Indian diaspora in nation building, Indian knowledge system, and makers of modern India from the year 1950 to 2025. Okay. What is the monthly stipend given to the person who is selected under this scheme is 50,000 rupees per month for 6 months. Okay. And also 10% royalty on the published books. Okay. All the printing costs are beared by the government, right? Also, another important fact is that the person who is selected in the PM Yuva scheme, they are assigned mentors. Who are these mentors? These mentors are experienced authors. So, mentors, renowned authors, experts, historians are assigned to guide the selected authors in writing, editing, narrative, research, etc. So, what is its current status? We have discussed already that it was launched 3.0 in 2025. 50 young authors will be selected under this and they will be given a stipend of 50,000 per month for 6 months. So that's all for today. In the upcoming session, we're going to discuss the important schemes from the year 2023. Do not forget to do remember to attend that session, because in that session we have many schemes to cover and they are very important schemes and they are the most recent one. So there are high chances that they can be asked. Also, our team at Abipedia has started a new course on government schemes in which we are providing all the relevant current affairs related to government schemes, and also how can you remember these schemes in a perfect order by practicing questions on it. So we are providing more than 13,000 questions for you to practice. So do check the course from the link given in the description below. We will meet again in our next lecture. So stay tuned. Do follow our channel so you can get timely update about when the next video is coming. And also do check out our channel for other important lectures which you want to attend. And also in comment box, do let us know what else we can teach. Right? So see you again. Have a good day.